And if you love motorcycles but live for innovation, you're in the right place. Welcome to Garage Talk with Dale. Watch as he crafts a one-of-a-kind camless hydraulic engine and breathes new life into a classic BSA Gold Star motorcycle. Stay tuned for tales from Dale's racing history, pro tips, and hands-on mechanics. Hit subscribe and join him on his journey. This is Garage Talk with Dale.
Right, welcome back. It's been a while to get to this stage. Everything's been going wrong on me, but anyway, it's back together now. It starts up nice, it seems to run nice. I've just got to take it out and get a bit of a run down the road, but we've cleaned majority of stuff up, and it's thank goodness it's together. So we're now finished. Thank goodness. It's been a long job. Would I advise other people to do it? Not really. Would I do another one? Not really. But I was panicking over nothing, because there were loads of things not as bad as people said. Obviously this engine's had right oil in it, so the belts weren't that bad. And I think she's a lovely car, so hopefully now with all the new Ford genuine bits in it, we should be looking good. It's got new spark plugs in, everything. I did have a bit of a scare when I put it back together. Obviously I put the water in, the coolant, the proper Ford oil for wet belt, new filters, and when I come to start it up, I'm afraid it ran 2 cylinders. Then obviously I've doubted myself, what you done wrong. And I thought I'd got the timing wrong, but then I thought, well, I can't get the timing wrong because I did fix everything solid. And I did use the pin to lock it all up. Anyway, the problem was, there's a little wiring loom that goes to the injectors for the fuel, and I'd clipped them on and clipped it back into the harness, but somewhere along the lines I don't think I'd clipped it into the harness tight enough, because I took the harness off, obviously panicking because you don't know what it is. So I checked continuity at wires, checked the continuity of the injectors, put the wires onto the injectors, check the wiring harness in the injector system while they were connected. Everything was fine. I plugged it back in, put it back together, fired up first time, running as smooth as anything. So I was panicking over nothing, but at the time I thought I'd done it wrong. But anyway, there you go, I have got it right, or think I have, and hopefully I'm going to get good mileage out of this vehicle now. But I did have a problem, a little problem, well, major problem actually, with my missus. While I've been doing this car, obviously you pop back into the house for a cup of tea, and I caught her on the settee having a stroke. I panicked a bit, obviously, like you do. I thought I'd lost her. Phoned for the ambulance. The ambulance come. They checked her out, stuck her in ambulance, took her away pretty quickly. It seemed like a lifetime to me, but hey, you're panicking. And anyway, they got her in hospital at Kingsmill. Absolutely phenomenal. It were bang, bang, bang all the way through. Total priority. Within a couple of hours, this were at 12:30 since she had the stroke, I found her. Be 4:30, they'd had scans on her. She'd had a stroke, she'd got the bleed, she'd got a blood clot. They were rushing her to Queen's Med to get the blood clot removed, but they gave her an injection of some sort of liquid, obviously to wash this blood clot away, and it were absolutely bang on. And it's a miracle, because we got her back home at 6 o'clock the following day. No problems whatsoever. They didn't do the operation. They found that she didn't need it. This liquid had cleared the blood clot. Absolutely fantastic. But what you've got to remember, if anybody's having a stroke, everything has got to move very fast. And a credit to Kingsmill, they were absolutely superb. The nurses, the doctors, everybody rallied around. We've got a young doctor there and a nurse there that knew what she was doing, and absolutely fantastic. I'm going to give every bit of cred to our NHS because they are brilliant. Anyway, so my little problem with my missus is sorted. I think she's perfect at the moment. I think the car's done. I'm going to take a skeggy tomorrow and we're going to hopefully have a nice day, even if it's raining. I do not mind. Life has got to be good. Anyway, thank you for watching, and thank you again to the NHS. Absolutely superb. Everybody was perfect. And on that note, I'm going to hopefully enjoy his life. And thank you for watching this video.